I'm back with another video helping you to get comfortable and confident with using your iPad. Today we're going to look at apps. What are apps? So stay tuned and all the info is going to be coming up soon. So we've pressed the home button and we are now on our home screen. On our home screen, you'll see a number of small squares. Use your finger and go across to the left and to the right and have an explore of the various different squares that you can see. These squares are apps, or they are folders where we have grouped apps together. An app is short for application, and an application is simply a tool. So let me use my example again. In our house, we have various things that make our lives comfortable and easy or make us happy. So we've got doors, windows, a kettle, books, some shopping bags, paintbrushes, all the things that you have in your home. That's exactly the same as apps. To open an app, use your finger and scroll to the left and to the right until you find the app that you'd like to open. I'd like to open the notes, so I'll tap it once and the app will open. To close the app, simply use your finger and tap once on the home button and you'll return to the home screen. So let's press the button, get back to home, and that ends our tutorial for today. Well done everyone. Can't wait to see you on our next video.